Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1957 Chevy 210 Post. Very original car, just one quality repaint done about 15 years ago. It's finished in silver with a white top. Very original. We even have the original poly tires that go on this car. Original poly in the trunk, which I'll show you in a sec. Beautiful straight body. Fantastic fitment of all the panels. Beautiful chrome and stainless. In fact, it's all original except for this corner piece right here that was done. It just had a little dent in it. Trunk's fantastic. The original spare tire back here. There it is. Original spare. Never even been on the ground. Actually, in pretty good shape. Completely rust free. It's all red oxide primer right there from the factory. Beautiful fitment of all the panels too. Here's 57 210 built in Flint. All original up here too. Even has the original T3 headlights on both sides. They're original to the car, those aren't reproduction. $38,508 original miles in this car. Upgraded sound system, vintage sound. Got 6x9s in the back. Tissue dispenser, that's an option. Headliner. Interior is all original too. Straight 6 under the hood. Carburetor has also been rebuilt. All original under here too. Carburetor was just redone. Built by a local guy here in Long Island. That's all he does. guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.